Hello everybody. Special hello to the Ramblers and anybody in my family. Especially Debbie and Terry down there in Georgia. Jimi, Kirsten, and Jace in North Carolina, where you guys actually got snow. So, but the rest of you all have the snow. And here we are again. Going for a little walk here. And before I do anything with this driveway here, this is a steep hill. Maybe again, we don't know. The snow might stop, or the plow guy might come along. I don't know if he thinks this is too deep here now. But let's go this way this time. And so, I hear a crow. They're noisy. You know, if you take a pair of Crocs and whack them together and make it sound like a gun, you know, whack, and usually the crows to fly away. He's flying away now anyway. And what else here? It's a nice day. It's snow. Certainly not many people be driving around, so if I had to drive around, I wouldn't mind driving around by myself. Hey, I want to check something here. I think I could do something set up here. Let me see. No. Let me think. I want to pause this. Let me see what else I could do with this thing for a second. Can't zoom. I'm not trying to zoom. Sorry, folks. I was just trying to see if I can activate just the rear facing microphone, or I guess it's the front facing microphone. So I don't know what they call the front and the rear. I guess the rear is where the screen is, so it's the rear facing, and the front is where the camera is. Just so you know, I can you guys can hear me better. I on my laptop, I have a Republic of Gamers laptop, and the volume is so low. You know, you think a gaming laptop would be, you know, we get them because they're tough. And it's a few years old, maybe 2 or 3 years old. It's still very powerful, and but the volume is terrible in it. And I can't tell if you guys can hear me well or not. If I listen to it on mine, I don't really listen to it much. I just make them, I upload them, give them to Carolyn, and she, you know, she does whatever she does with them. But so I know there's ways you can put which microphone you want, you know, to use, you know, both the front or the rear. And on the fly here like this, I couldn't figure it out. So I'm gonna try to go around here pretty quick. If we see something, we'll go check it out. You're going on other people's property. I won't tell you whose, but there'll be times when I go on other people's property. Hey, let's see. Oops. Let's go on this property. Look how deep this is. Let's see. Let's see if you can see. I'm gonna do. Let's see. See if I can point this downward. I don't know if you can see how deep that is. Here's my leg right there. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it, but it's deep. I'm gonna go around. And see, here's my, I climb up here. Let's go on this property. OPP, other people's property. I'll go around here. I guess you guys can tell that it snowed quite a bit. I'm gonna jump down here. Snow hopefully should cushion my knee. There we go. I think I'm gonna jump on ice. If I fall through, we'll have it on video. I'm gonna jump on ice. Okay, folks? Here we go. I'm on ice. It's just snow. This is the ice down here. Let's see. So, anyway, I'm climbing back up. I've only been on this property maybe 2,000 times, probably more. So, I don't hear any plows. I don't hear anything. See, right here, coming down this road, and there's a curve right here, and then somebody else coming up the other road. There's deer down there. Look at that. Coming up the other road. You know, if two people come flying down here, and, you know, chance can have it. If you're walking in this road, you better get the heck out of the way. Definitely don't walk on the road. I just see something happening down here at some point in time. And it'd be nice if you like walk right through here, right here. It's a deer trail. I don't know where they went. OPP. So when I say OPP, you guys know what that means. Okay? OPP means other people's private property. Hey, that looks like people. No. Probably a deer. These are deer. They just look different. The deep snow is deep. If you had snowshoes, I'd like to try them out sometime. I don't have any. They're pretty cool. I throw the deer apples and stuff out back. Try to keep them off the roads.